Have you ever wondered why some backlinks have no follow? If you're working on SEO or link building, this can be a confusing topic. But don't worry, today we'll explore the reasons behind no-follow backlinks, their role in SEO, and how they can still bring value to your strategy. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this important topic. Backlinks are a key factor in SEO, acting as endorsements from one site to another. They signal to search engines that your content is credible and deserves attention. However, you may encounter backlinks with the no-follow attribute, which tells search engines not to transfer ranking authority to the linked page. This leaves many wondering why some backlinks have no follow and how these links affect their website's performance. The concept of no-follow backlinks was introduced in 2005 to tackle the issue of spam. Back then, websites were struggling with unwanted links in comment sections or forums, which could harm their search engine rankings. By adding the no-follow tag, webmasters could signal to search engines not to count certain links toward rankings. Over time, this tag evolved to serve other purposes, such as marking paid links or links in user-generated content. So, why do some backlinks have no follow? One of the primary reasons is compliance with search engine guidelines. Websites must add no-follow tags to paid or sponsored links to avoid penalties for manipulating rankings. Similarly, links in user-generated content, such as blog comments or forum discussions, often carry the no-follow tag to prevent the spread of spam or irrelevant links. Another reason is that high-authority websites prefer to maintain control over their link equity. For example, news outlets or government sites might use no-follow on external links to avoid endorsing other sites or influencing search engine rankings unintentionally. However, this doesn't mean no-follow backlinks are useless. They can still provide significant value by driving traffic, building brand awareness, and even fostering partnerships. Understanding why some backlinks have no follow can help you create a smarter link building strategy. While these links don't pass ranking authority, they contribute to a natural and balanced backlink profile, which is crucial for long-term SEO success. Instead of focusing solely on follow backlinks, think about how any link can support your goals, whether by increasing visibility, driving traffic, or enhancing your reputation. In conclusion, why some backlinks have no follow boils down to their role in maintaining a fair and spam-free internet. They help ensure ethical practices, protect website reputations, and manage link equity. Rather than dismissing no-follow links, consider how they fit into your overall strategy to grow your online presence effectively. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.